Before you apply for a business credit card, there are a few terms in the fine print that are worth understanding, because they're the ones that tend to surprise people later. First, personal guarantee. Most small business credit cards require one. It means if your business can't pay the balance, you may be personally responsible, which can affect your personal credit score. It's standard, but it's important to know going in. Second, APR versus daily periodic rate. Your APR is the annual cost of carrying a balance. Your daily periodic rate is that number divided by 365, and it's what actually accrues on your balance every single day and gets triggered as a charge if you don't pay in full by the due date each month. Third, statement credit. When your cashback gets applied, it typically doesn't go to your bank account. It reduces your card balance. That's still valuable, but it affects your cash flow planning. Know the difference before you factor rewards into your budget. When comparing cards, look for clear APR disclosures, no annual fee, and rewards that apply to how your business actually spends. The fine print tells you more than the headline offer.